Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to take a look at how to make 3 different kinds of instruments using only materials that you have laying around your house. So if you take a look at what we have on our table here, there's some pipe, some glasses, some mallets, and a large container of water. Whatever could we make with these items? So the first thing we're going to make is a type of drum using just PVC pipe. It's nothing particularly fancy, and we're going to hit the end of it with a mallet. This is just a standard piece of 4-inch PVC pipe cut to about 2.5 feet long. This is a 4-inch end cap. This is the stuff you would find on the shelf at Lowe's. You slide them together, no glue, nothing to hold them, and we're just going to beat the end of it. Next up, we're going to make a set of tuned water glasses. Each of these glasses is ever so slightly different in thickness and size and weight, which make them sound slightly different when you tap on them. Now that we know they're different pitches, we're going to put them in order from lowest to highest. Okay, now let's change the pitch more by adding water. It gets just the tiniest little bit lower, so let's add more. And let's keep adding more and adjust the pitches of all of them. And there's the pentatonic scale. So now we're going to take a look at one of my favorite instruments to make. This is a singing stemmed glass. This is awesome. I saw a demonstration of this when I was about 9 years old, and I will never forget it. Essentially, all you have to do is find a glass that is built the right way, has a nice thin rim, and a long stem helps, and you change the pitch by adding water to it and rubbing the rim with your fingertip. Notice that every time we added water, the pitch went down. The tricky part to this is learning to use just the right amount of pressure and speed with your fingertip in order to make the glass vibrate. It's not about pressing hard or moving fast, it's about finding just the right touch. Also, I'm kind of surprised my dog wasn't singing along with that last one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I hope that you found this informative and entertaining. Please do yourselves a favor. Do not go playing with your parents' glassware without permission. And please be gentle. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy making some music.